The LED light assembly is located at the top of the refrigerator section. To access the light assembly and sensor, start by pressing in on the back of the light cover with your fingers or a small screwdriver, and then lower it down. Once the cover is off, remove the two Phillips head screws located at both ends that secure the housing to the ceiling of the refrigerator, and take note of the other two Phillips head screws that secure the LED light assembly itself to the housing. Once the housing is removed, these two screws also need to be removed to replace the light assembly. With the housing slightly lowered, the wiring harnesses for the lights and sensor can be accessed and disconnected. To remove the fresh food evaporator cover, remove the two fruit and vegetable drawers, as well as the shelves that are in front of the evaporator cover. Remove the Phillips head screw that attaches the shelf support to the cover at the bottom, as well as the two Phillips head screws that hold the evaporator cover to the back wall. Then, using a small flat-bladed screwdriver, pry off the cap from the top of the shelf support. Remove that single screw. Next, gently pull out and down at the bottom of the shelf support and remove it. Pull the evaporator cover out at the bottom. Then, lower the cover slightly while turning the front of it towards the ice maker to expose the fan motor wiring. To test for incoming supply voltage to the fan, read between the red and white wires, and if the fan is supposed to be on, the meter should read between 7 and 12 volts DC. The blue wire is for feedback to the board. Disconnect the evaporator fan motor wire harness, and the cover can be completely removed. Remove these 4 screws and the reflective tape in order to remove the fan housing from the evaporator cover.